Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of tracking your spending using Mint, a powerful budgeting tool that can help you stay on top of your finances. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started and take control of your budget. Step 1. Create an account. The first thing you need to do is visit the Mint website or download the Mint app on your smartphone. Once you're there, click on Sign Up. You'll need to enter your email address, create a password, and provide some basic information about yourself. Step 2. Link your financial accounts. After creating your account, the next step is to link your bank accounts, credit cards, and any other financial accounts you want to track. Mint uses bank-level encryption to keep your information secure. Simply follow the prompts to add your accounts. Step 3. Set up your budget. Once your accounts are linked, Mint will automatically categorize your transactions. Go to the Budget section to set up your spending categories. You can customize these categories based on your spending habits, such as groceries, entertainment, or transportation. Step 4. Set monthly spending limits. Within the Budget section, set a monthly spending limit for each category. Mint will help you stay accountable by showing you how much you've spent in each category throughout the month. Adjust these limits based on your financial goals and past spending behavior. Step 5. Review your transactions. Regularly reviewing your transactions is crucial for effective budgeting. Check the Transactions tab in Mint to see all your spending in one place. This feature helps you identify any areas where you might be overspending, allowing you to adjust your budget accordingly. Step 6. Use alerts and notifications. Mint offers customizable alerts to help you stay on track. You can set up notifications for bill reminders, budget limits exceeded, and more. This feature ensures you're constantly aware of your spending and can make adjustments as necessary. Step 7. Track your progress over time. Mint provides insightful graphs and reports to help you visualize your spending patterns over time. Regularly reviewing these insights will allow you to understand your financial habits better and make informed decisions about your budget. Step 8. Adjust your budget as needed. Life can be unpredictable, and your budget may need to change over time. Using Mint, you can easily adjust your budget categories and spending limits based on changing circumstances. Stay flexible and ensure your budget reflects your current financial situation. Remember, tracking your spending is an ongoing process. With Mint, you'll have all the tools you need to stay on budget and achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more budgeting tips.